hear me? So back with another video. This weekend we are at the Beans Diesel event. We're actually, I don't know if you guys can see right now because I'm on the head mount, but we are in line for the dirt drags. We got the 05 warmed up, so we are just gonna start off this video getting right to the action. It seems like there's quite a bit of trucks in the dirt drag stuff here. So we're in the modified class and we're gonna see how it goes. Man, she was bumpy. That was so bumpy. Man, it is shaking the crap out of the front end. Oh man, that was fun. That was fun. All right, so I think we're just gonna get right back into the lanes here. I'm not sure. I'm wondering if I shouldn't paddle it. I'm wondering if I should. I'm not really sure. Not really sure what the best way to go about doing this is, but that's why I think we're gonna try and do another practice round here. I can't stage properly because the ruts in there are so bad that yeah, the ruts are so bad that it's rolling me into the second bulb. But man, it's shaking the crap out of the front end. Look at that. Is that a SRT? Is that a Trackhawk? Oh, that's funny. Alrighty guys, first round of eliminations for the dirt drags.
There's number 9 Greg, right lane Jonathan in the left. Right side, 385 over a...
Man, that was a good one. That was a good race. Man, that was good. I don't think I red lit. I was pretty damn close to red lighting probably though. Alrighty guys, well, after 2 rounds of eliminations, we won the first round. I think this is the win. This is the first round, this is the second round, which we lost, but so I think they're doing double eliminations, so I think we're still in this thing. But I came over here because I wanted to point out a simple thing here. You guys always talk crap about my lack of air filtration, but I was not taking a chance. So right before we left, you can see a little color difference here. I took the air filter off of the 08 and put it on this baby because we didn't want to toast a turbo or toast an engine. That wouldn't be good, but we got an air filter on this baby for now. So there you go, air filter check. Also in this process of doing these dirt drags, we're getting a nice sand texture going on here on our wheels. No big deal, but ooh, baby, this is this is a good one. Nice. All right, well, nothing like ruining a set of good wheels. No big deal. I'm sure they'll clean up. All right, well, we're just starting to examining these wheels a little bit further, and it looks like we actually might be doing some damage. Wow, these are all chips on these things. Oh man, gosh. Oh, man.
The other back one's the same way.
Oh, son of a gun.
But the fronts are fine.
Goodness. Well, I guess we are actually ruining the wheels. That's not even a lie anymore. And it wasn't before, but I guess we really are now. Oh, boy. Gosh, that's deep. Oh, man.
Right side, 393 to 421.
Alrighty guys, this is it. This is the modified dirt drag finals. We have made it to the finals. I'm pretty dang pumped up. We get the lane choice because the one lane is looking like absolute crap. All right, so here we go. This is for all of the whatever you want to call it. This lane is hard to see the tree, let's put it that way.
And the left side got it, 389 to 3.
Woo! That was close. Man, this is beating the crap out of my front end. I don't know who won that. That was way too close to call. But man, it is bouncing the truck so hard that I feel like my transfer case might pop out. So I'm not really sure who won that. That was a good race. I feel like I'm getting sloppy off the line. Good race, man. All right, let's see it. We didn't win, son of a gun. Where is it?
45 thousandths for a second.
Oh, dead nuts off the tree though. Man, super close. But hey, second place is still in the money, so we got second place. All right, we'll take it. We'll take second place. Pure pressure is a you know what, so I guess we're headed into the burnout box. So wish us luck. Rest in peace tires. These expensive, nice tires. I guess we're just gonna send them up.
He's gonna see what this race war is gonna pump it up to. So let's get this crowd pumped up for him, guys. Let's give it 1, 2, 3, 4, guys.
So the fire was behind the smoke. You couldn't see it good, but tell us what happened.
Just gave her hell. Holy shit, that's from fire?
That's pure flame, buddy.
Is it still on fire right now?
No, it's
Oh, okay. That's how you do a burnout. Center on fire.
hell yeah.
Yeah, look at the wrap. The wrap is bubbling.
It's melted.
Stop now.
It literally lit the whole ground on fire, like it was all flaming.
You can like pull it off.
No, I think it's fine. Maybe. Here, poke a...
I know, that's
Poke a hole in
I don't
it.
have any.
You got a knife? Alrighty guys, we are finally home. Just getting this thing out of the trailer. Thank you, Allie and Reagan, for the spectacular back out job as always. Alrighty guys, here she is, finally unloaded after the massive burnout. I know we didn't get a chance to really catch up after, directly right after that, but that's what we're gonna do right now, and check out this side over here that had a little fire incident. But huge shout out first off to the guys at Beans Diesel for putting on that event. First year being there, first time dirt dragging. Honestly, it was a super great event. Super laid back, big crowd, lots of stuff to do. We'll definitely be back next year. If I would have known that it was that good last couple years, probably would have made it out even sooner. But again, 2 thumbs up for that event. Put it on your calendar for sure for next year. But yeah, the burnout. So it looks like what after reviewing the footage, looks like because I was just on the brakes, just trying to stay in one spot, was getting ready to roll out from that thing, but the brakes weren't really having it. So this rotor back here just got super hot, and there was so much rubber already kind of on the ground that I think the rotor got so hot it actually caught the rest of the rubber that was on the ground on fire. So yeah, but as far as the wrap, it looks like we definitely sustained some wrap damage. I don't know if you guys can see, it's really rough right there. I'm not sure exactly what that's gonna do to the paint behind it, but hey, it is what it is. We had a great time. The rubber back here, my shadow is really killing everything, but yeah, the fireball actually was a lot bigger. Now that I saw a couple different videos getting shared around, fireball was massive. So basically kind of messed up the clear on these tail lights. You can kind of see like it's basically come off the whole tailgate, or the tail lights. Duh. So gonna need some new tail lights. You're gonna either need to make sure the paint is okay and rewrap the truck, or just get the black back on here. Some new tail lights, maybe some new back brakes. You know, the wheels took a little bit of a beating from the dirt drags. That is pretty much going to wrap up this video. I apologize if there's a little bit of wind noise here. I'm still waiting on these stupid little mic covers to come in so I can not have this wind noise issue again with the new camera. But anyway, that's gonna wrap it up. Hit the like button, smash the like button for me, please. We will eventually have another video getting this thing cleaned up and seeing what kind of damage is or is not underneath of this. To answer probably a lot of questions, no, I'm not mad. A lot of people were coming up to me after the burnout and asking if I was upset or mad. I'm kind of no. I'm glad the wrap was there to take the brunt of it. If it was paint, I might be a little bit more upset. But as of right now, I am. Man, these things happen. It was a great time. I don't regret it, and it was an awesome time. So I'm kind of getting more. I used to be like really like, hey, don't lean on the truck, don't touch the truck, trying to keep it nice. But you know, you gotta have fun with these things. That they're here for a reason. I want to enjoy them, and I enjoyed this weekend a lot. So that's it. That's gonna do it, guys. I will see you guys in the next video very shortly.